For Frida by LEILANI Joy in 40 by 50 cm rounds, special treatment version 3 now adds labradorite that we have sprinkled on the green leaves that surrounds Frida. And this really kind of just embraces her in this painting and completes the sparkling look of this special treatment. Once again, for version 3 special treatment, you get all of the beads we have placed on this canvas, including special beads such as the lightning diamonds for the pendant of her necklace, as well as the pearls that will be placed on the flowers on her hair, violet, periwinkle, avocado, lemon, mandarin, and chili. And lastly, we've got the labradorite crystals that are now sparkling around her, sprinkled on the green leaves.